The Cook County Sheriff is charged with locking up pretrial defendants who judges deem too dangerous to release, but there are another 1,500 who are sent home with electronic monitoring bracelets that allow the Sheriff's Department to track their movements 24 hours a day. Those defendants are often allowed to leave their homes for work, school, or other activities, the Sheriff using geofencing to make sure those individuals stay within their allowed areas. But Sheriff Tom Dart says defendants who are allowed 2 days a week to move freely under the Safety Act are using that freedom to commit crimes.
And sure enough, we've had over 200 people charged, mind you, with new crimes, gun offenses, shootings, you name it. And those are just the ones we know of. How many other ones? We don't know. The devices are off.
Technically, defendants' movements on their free days are still monitored, as the Sheriff's Department demonstrated with this recording from a previous day, but the alerts are silenced. Dart, frustrated by the system, is ready to get out of the electronic monitoring business next year.
So it's like, I'm not going to continue to do this nonsense of saying, oh yeah, we're running this. No, we can't do it safely. We need to stop doing it.
While the Chief Judge's office also runs an electronic monitoring system, he does not want to take on the entire responsibility, but there's no law to prevent Dart from stepping away.
But I say that the legislature should change that law and make him responsible. I think it's an abdication of his responsibility to step away. And I think it gives less protection to our citizens and to the public for him to step away.
Supporters of the Safety Act say the law is not the problem.
There are always going to be unique situations where someone is rearrested. That doesn't mean a program is a failure.
Charlene Grace contends most people on electronic monitoring are abiding by the requirements. The sheriff remains unswayed. So as of April 1st, pending any action by lawmakers, Dart will begin phasing the Sheriff's Department out of the electronic monitoring business. What remains to be seen is whether this will mean more people being locked up pending trial or released without any kind of monitoring.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.